What's up, guys? Back here with another episode of Outdoorsman 105. And today's, guys, the content is creek fishing, okay? I'm fishing in a small little creek bed type thing. And yeah, I got my cousin here. He does that. Whatever. And you guys already saw him. Marty, dumb. He's dumb. It's your boy Curtis. All right. So guys, I just have a smaller little closed reel rod. I really don't ever use closed reels anymore, but it was a spare my cousin had, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I gotta go bait up real quick, and I'll be right back.
What's your bait up?
All right, hey, Dippy, you want to start filming?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Go film there, Dippy, okay?
There's the dumb boy, Marty Dumb.
Hey, wait, get over here real quick. All right, guys. So, quick little lesson. See, I am just using worms right now.
Put the worm up.
Yep. I'm not using the whole thing. I'm gonna rip off a tiny chunk. Throw him back in. Put the little chunk on. And that's it. Okay.
My name's Wade.
Yeah, okay. We all know that, Wade.
Okay.
All right.
Not to yell at me.
Since he's took up the mud spot. Congratulations, man. Did you have one?
Wait, butterfly!
So guys, back last
There's
time we actually came here, and my phone ended up dying. Okay, my phone died. Are you filming, Wade, or are you just? There you go. My phone died last time, guys. It's a sad little thing that happened. We actually caught a decent amount of fish.
We caught like 10.
Yeah, kind of close.
We caught one rainbow trout.
It was a rainbow looking chub. I don't know what it was, but
It kind of looked like a rainbow trout.
kind of, yeah.
Because it looks rainbow.
Well, someone just took my bait. Wade, if you drop my phone, I'm gonna hurt you.
Okay, let's go get hooked up again.
Yeah, I freaking have one on. What? Do you want some take yours too, Marty? Hmm? Are you mad now? Well, I'm not mad.
This is very nice.
These guys. I don't know why we're not catching anything today. You know there's a little camera flip if you need to do that.
I'm gonna run over to the quick.
I don't care.
Yay!
Alright, guys. One thing you gotta know about these little freaking worms. Alright, this guy's not one to... Let's go into the bait. These worms do not like to go on the bass sometimes. Alright, I'm just gonna do a cruddy little rig. Set that up.
This is the bucket we found last time.
That bucket we just did. Dude, you better catch something, Marty, you know? We gotta have content, Dippy.
I have one on the end. Curtis, look what happened yesterday.
Yeesh. Congratulations. Alright,
I stopped my toe on
guys, I
the
don't
coffee
know.
table.
But last time, like I said, we caught 10 to 12. I don't know why we're not catching anything today.
Maybe because it rained a lot, because one time we were at the
It rained a
creek
little bit.
down by our house, my house. His mom's just babysitting me, and down by our house we have a
Here, wanna film it?
creek, and
Wanna film? Alright, fellas.
we always catch
I'm back.
minnows. But that one day,
Oh,
water was
alright, I just had
moving,
one.
we couldn't catch any.
I don't know why this thing's getting a pain.
You wanna catch?
No way, you cannot, because you can't cast.
Oh.
Not like, and you just threw in a rock. You just threw in a rock. Are you happy now?
Scaring the fish down. See? Look. I'm
Dude, you got issues.
Wait, you show them their face. They'll be scared.
Yeah, show me. Alright. This is freaking insane.
There's two.
I don't know why and or how I'm not catching anything right now. Last time it was freaking flooded with fish. This time you can't get a dang thing. I'm kind of ticked.
Hear this. Look at the sand I found.
My cousin found sand. He's all proud of it. Congratulations. I don't know why.
Mushy.
Alright. Hey, bud. Get back to filming.
Wait. Yeah, I found some good sand.
I thought I had a fish on.
You haven't. Oh, my boot. Oh, shit.
Look at this.
Oh, my boot.
I don't have my stuff on anymore. It's still on me. My bait's still on, guys.
Jeez.
Why'd you fall this time, huh? I did that, like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 episodes ago.
What episodes did you make?
I don't know how many.
About about hill climbing out with a dirt bike?
I don't know.
You never know what you can make.
You gotta film right, okay?
Like this?
Yeah, you don't.
Don't be gay.
Like this?
Wait.
Oh, jeez. We're at 7 minutes and 28 seconds.
7 minutes and 20 seconds.
My cousin said we might film the whole fishing video.
We might. Dude, there's a little camera flip if you need it that bad.
What's a camera flip?
Got one.
Well,
Alright, guys, we finally have one. A tiny little chub, creek chub.
Put it like this.
Yeah.
It's your hand.
Very, very small. But you know what, guys?
We're still
Since
gonna-
I'm technically broke, I'm gonna fry him up. Okay?
We're gonna put him in the bucket.
No bucket. All right,
Why?
guys. So, you catching this, bud? And he's gone.
That was a pretty nice fish, and he didn't put it in the bucket.
I don't need to put a fish in the bucket. Wait.
This walk?
Wait. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait.
Okay.
There we go. All right. Keep getting content, bud.
Fetch, doggy! Fetch!
What the heck are you saying? All right.
Fetch!
Guys,
Fetch!
like and
Fetch,
subscribe. I'm
doggy,
not gonna end the
fetch.
video yet. My cousin's very, very slow.
I'm really happy to be on my first YouTube video. I've been on one, but then
Then my iPod died, and that was it.
yeah. And then I've been on one other
Wait.
at a mud race,
No.
and then my kitty cat died.
Wow. That is spectacular. Wanna see it?
No, I actually been on YouTube once because it was a mud race, and we were up in the bushes where you could not see us.
All right, guys. So we're on 9 minutes so far. I don't know why.
I bet you that was the only fish we're gonna catch this.
Cross there and get to the other side.
I did that before, and it was cold. Yeah, but Marty, I
Do
would
it
brought
for
one.
the viewers.
I would brought one pair of clothes, bro.
If you get
Yeah, guys.
1,000 subscribers, you have to do it.
Dude, I'm on like 11 now. All right, guys. Yo, if I get 25 subscribers, I will dive into this creek, this very creek. I need 25 subscribers,
Give
okay?
him 25 subscribers and he'll go walk across.
Yo, 25. 25, you guys got yourself a deal of me jumping through this
Exciting water.
ice cool creek.
No, literally, it's ice cold.
It is
It
freezing.
feels like it came up from a very cold pond.
Okay,
That way?
he's saying he came from the Himalayas. I don't know why, but whatever.
No, that's full of ice. That's what it feels
Yeah,
like.
Wib, that's what it feels like, guys. It feels like the Titanic water, okay?
It does. It actually does. I never felt the Titanic water, but I think it does feel
We
like
went to a museum once. I don't know if you were there. We went to a Titanic museum.
Oh, yeah.
And that water was ice cold, bro.
Yeah, it was-
ice cold.
It was freaking.
Oh, I just freaking had one. Yo, look, guys, it's a mighty stickfish. The mighty stickfish.
I didn't go catch it.
Go ahead, go catch it.
Okay.
Go fall in there and go catch it. I don't care what you do, bud.
Idiot boy, get out.
You're an idiot.
I'm not an idiot walking around in freaking flip-flops.
Yeah, he's nice.
Flip flop, dude.
Yeah, I'll freaking muck these on.
All right, hey. You want film? I mean, wait, you want fish?
Yeah.
All right. Ari has a little bait on it, so get over here. Let me film for a little bit. All right, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna get a camera.
Turns going way too quick.
Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna get a camera, guys. I'm hoping to get one maybe by in between this month or next. I'm just trying to see what I can do. Again, guys, last time we caught like 10 to 12 fish. This time I only caught one. I don't know why. Nothing's working out right, but
Freaking raining.
it is. It's raining. I don't want to end the episode. We're not catching any fish
Someone
though.
took the bait.
And someone took the bait or something, or some whatever. Would.
Someone in the cliff might be.
Yeah, someone in the creek. Totally. All right. Guys, I'm gonna see anytime I can get anything going. Okay. It's just we're not catching anything right now. Last time we caught 10 to 12. It was an amazing day. Okay.
Yeah.
It was perfect. I had everything going,
And then,
and my iPod shut off, and it just wasn't the best.
well, we lost all the fish because our cousin Marty that had to dump
Yeah.
them out.
We caught them all in a bucket,
She didn't get any out from us.
and yeah,
Grace had to catch
my cousin had to dump the bucket. Yeah, you.
Chris,
He's
I
slow.
looked in the word bucket. Now I'm gonna try to catch a worm.
That's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. All right, guys.
That's hell.
That's gonna be it for this episode. That's gonna be it for this episode, guys.
Oh, put it on camera.
What?
I jumped out the water. It's cold.
Wait, go back up so we don't blow away.
All right, guys. That's gonna be it for this episode. Like and subscribe. It's been your boy Curtis. Yeah.
Notification.
Notifications, yeah. Whatever. Comments, anything.
He would like 25 subscribers
Yeah.
to go walk.
25 subs, and I will jump in there. Like and subscribe, guys. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.